डिफिकल्ट या कितना इजी होता है एक शो करना, कैसे आप इन्वॉल्व होते हो उसमें?
सो एक्चुअली इट्स सिमिलर एज अदर्स, बट इसमें ये होता है कि सस्पेंस थ्रिलर कुछ ज़्यादा होता है.
उसके अलावा आपने एड फिल्म भी की है रणवीर सिंह के साथ. हाउ वाज द एक्सपीरियंस?
He is too energetic, and it was my debut actually, my first TVC which I got. But yeah, he was so energetic.
Talking about Instagram, आप Gen Z कल्चर को बिलोंग करते हो and Instagram ही everything है आपके लिए. How important is Instagram for you and how you maintain?
No, actually, 20 days in a month I keep shooting, and when I'm free, I focus it on influencing and working on content. And when I'm shooting, I record some random clips. I make some funny content in between. Or if I get a proper time, I make fashion content and all that things, yeah. But currently, I'm obsessed with Ananya Pandey. Like, she's a Gen Z, like, full on. I keep watching her podcast and she's like, oh no, I wanna be like this and that. And I'm like, yeah. I love her.
Do you imitate her as well? Because the way you said, like,
yeah, because like, every interview, she's like, oh my god, like, I can't even say all that things. So when I watch her, I was like, yeah, she's like I love Ananya Pandey.
Hi guys, welcome to another episode of 4 PM Bollywood और मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट हर्षिता. आज मेरे साथ एक ऐसे गेस्ट है जो मिस्टर टीन इंडिया तो जीत चुके हैं लेकिन बहुत सारे क्राइम्स में इन्वॉल्व है. तो आइए मैं इंट्रोड्यूस करती हूँ आपको गणेश चौहान से. गणेश, हाय, वेलकम टू 4 PM Bollywood. मैंने ऐसे ही बोल दिया क्राइम्स में इन्वॉल्व है बिकॉज मैंने जब आपकी बायोग्राफी पढ़ी तो क्राइम्स आजकल क्राइम पेट्रोल काफ़ी क्रिमिनल चीज़ों से अब जुड़े हुए हैं. तो बताइए आपकी जर्नी कैसे रही है ऑन स्क्रीन क्राइम्स के साथ जुड़ने की.
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर इन्वाइटिंग फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. ऑल्सो ये डिस्क्रिप्शन से ऐसे लग रहा है कि मैं विघ्न हरता नहीं विघ्न करता हूँ. मतलब इतने क्राइम्स हो चुके हैं, क्राइम छोड़ ही नहीं रहा पीछा. But come to the journey. Actually, the journey started with Marathi theatre as a child. So when I was in 6th standard, तब से ये शुरू हुआ है my acting journey. And by the time I was doing Marathi television, Marathi films, indie films. And उसके बाद मैं हिंदी में जब आया तो my first break was Crimes आजकल. And उसके बाद when I started getting this crime, तो वो चालू ही है अब तक. But in between I have done some festival film as well. फिर अभी उतरन एक वेब शो किया था, दैट इज देयर. बट मेजरली माय मेजर वर्क इज डिपेंड ऑन क्राइम. या दैट्स ट्रू.
तो क्राइम्स की हम बात करते हैं. कैसा, कितना डिफिकल्ट या कितना इजी होता है एक शो करना, मतलब उसका पूरा प्लॉट कैसे, किस तरह से, क्या प्लॉटिंग, कैसे आप इन्वॉल्व होते हो उसमें?
सो एक्चुअली इट्स सिमिलर एज अदर्स, बट इसमें ये होता है कि सस्पेंस थ्रिलर कुछ ज़्यादा होता है. और इसमें मतलब व्हेन यू शूटिंग फॉर क्राइम, वहाँ पे प्रॉपर्टीज़ या फिर कंटिन्यूटी, खून, ये सब ज़्यादा होता है. एंड जब भी हम लोग शूट भी करते हैं ना, तो इफ़ यू आर नॉट शूटिंग इन अ स्टूडियो, वी आर शूटिंग आउटसाइड समवेयर, तो वहाँ पे भी जो आजू बाजू के लोग होते हैं वो ज़्यादा एक्साइट होते हैं कि कुछ क्राइम शूट हो रहा होगा. तो रादर देन सम लव या फिर रोमांटिक कुछ शूट हो रहा है, उससे ज़्यादा अगर कुछ क्राइम शूट हो रहा है तो लोग ज़्यादा एक्साइट होते हैं. आई गिव यू एन एग्जांपल. आई वाज शूटिंग फॉर क्राइम पेट्रोल, तो वहाँ पे जो सूरत में हो रहा था, एंड देन पीपल, तब मेरा मर्डर हुआ ये सब, तो लोग एक्चुअली देखने आए थे क्या हुआ. फिर ड्रोन से शूट जब होता है ऊपर से, वो खून होता है, तो लोग एकदम एक्साइटेड में आके देखने लगते हैं ये वो वगैरह वगैरह. क्योंकि अभी मोस्टली रील्स वगैरह सब लोग ही बना रहे हैं, तो रोमांटिक वगैरह ऐसे बनाते रहते हैं. Crime is something very difficult as well to shoot, and it's adventurous. Yeah.
तो जैसे आपने बोला आपका मर्डर हुआ था.
So
क्या हमेशा क्राइम आपके ऊपर होता है कि आपने क्राइम कमिट किया?
And I'm like my friends like I'm get done by it every season. At the end of I'm dying.
Ouch.
Yeah.
तो आपको ऐसे शूट के बाद कोई ऐसे गलत सपने या ऐसे कुछ होता है, लाइक डू यू गेट स्कैर्ड?
माय मॉम गेट्स एक्चुअली ट्रू. मतलब जब पहली बार था ना, तो तभी क्या हुआ था, दे डिड अ मेकअप एंड इट वाज लुकिंग सो रियलिस्टिक दैट, तो मैंने एक शूट के टाइम पे मम्मी को वीडियो कॉल किया था ऐसे दिखा के, एंड आई कैन डू द आई रोल ऐसे, तो पूरा आई कैन शो माई वाइट आई बॉल्स, तो मैंने वैसे रखे थे और ऐसे किया था उनके साथ वीडियो. माई मॉम गॉट शॉक So the first one, in crimes आजकल they have shown where I'm lying on that what you can call बोलते ना मरने के बाद लेके जाते चित्ता. हाँ तो उसमें वो एक सीन है. बाकी इसमें like I'm dying, that's it. बट उसमें वो वाला सीन है. So my mom have हाँ तो उसके बाद so my mom like tells me कि next time अगर ऐसा कुछ होगा तो then don't show me.
Yeah,
I don't know because I'm an actor, so I don't feel ऐसे. I तो पहले ही मैं mentally prepare होता कि हाँ भाई मरना है. Only in Uttarakhand I'm not dying because it's not crime based.
Okay, चलो
Yeah.
finally
Finally,
crime से
yeah,
पीछा छूटा. उसके अलावा आपने एड फिल्म भी की है
Yeah, yeah.
रणवीर सिंह के साथ.
Yes,
And
yes.
रणवीर सिंह is like the youth icon.
Yeah, I love Ranveer Singh.
Yeah, how was the experience? Anything that
He's too energetic, and
Yeah.
it was my debut actually, my first TVC which I got. And
कौन से
then-
ब्रांड का था ये?
It was the big picture. So he was
Okay.
doing a show. तो उसके हर जगह ऐसे पोस्टर वगैरह थे. It was a very big show. And then it was also for Jhandu Balm which he has done. So it's same for that. But yeah, he was so energetic. He was so energetic. And back then, like 4 years back when I was 16, 17. So when I saw him and he was like doing this, that, so active. He was having more scenes, of course, but more changes. So he's just give the inspiration how to work harder, be active, yeah, all that.
And any one-on-one conversations या कुछ ऐसा any fan moment that you had like?
With him, unfortunately, not as I just said hi, hello. So the director was Nitesh Tiwari. So I'm a huge fan of Nitesh Tiwari, honestly. So I was like, I spent more time talking to him, knowing him, gathering more knowledge. Ranveer Singh, he was busy as well, so he has to leave for another shoot. I don't know, but we just say hi, hello. So normally it was so nice to shoot with you. I took a picture, posted on Instagram. That's it. Yeah.
You have also won Mr. India Teen.
Yeah.
This is something new. Mr. India पता था, but
Yeah.
teen का कुछ ऐसा होता है मुझे आइडिया नहीं था. So
Yeah.
ये कैसे रहा?
So it was
How
a
did
new-
you participate in that?
Yeah, sorry. It was a new concept actually. So there was this contest and auditions were going on. I thought कि I should go and check it out. How is it? तो मैं गया, I auditioned for it, and then हम लोग का फिनाले जयपुर में था, तो हम लोग जयपुर गए, तो वहाँ पे फिनाले हुआ, and then I won. Then there was news articles in Times India and all that. I was happy.
And after that, did you ज़्यादा दरवाजे खुले in terms of modeling
Honestly, I'll
acting?
tell you to other people as well who are inclined towards pageant. Honestly, matlab, opportunity you will never get, but it grooms you as a person, as an actor, as an individual. It grooms you a lot. Because I don't want to mislead someone, because I have done it, so you can also go by that way. It's my experience. After winning, it was just articles, but no work. For work, I have to go to the audition, go to the production houses, standing in the queue. And after lockdown, it was like online auditions and all. That's the only way you were getting work. And working on your Instagram, yeah.
Yeah. Talking about Instagram,
Yeah.
आप Gen Z culture को belong
Yeah.
करते हो, and Instagram ही everything है
Yeah,
उनके
yeah.
लिए. How important is Instagram for you, and how you maintain it? Like, do you plan scripts? Do you plan a certain content? What is your ideation behind?
No, actually, 20 days in a month I keep shooting, and when I'm free, I focus it on influencing and working on content. And when I'm shooting, I record some random clips. I make some funny content in between. Or if I get a proper time, I make fashion content and all that things, yeah.
Actor बनना होता है तो there's always an inspiration, like
Yeah, yeah.
people were like Shah Rukh Khan or probably Alia Bhatt. Who has been your inspiration to drive you into this?
I honestly feel and love there is this generation star is like Ranbir Kapoor. I grown up watching him, and I would love to keep watching him forever, and one day wanna be like him. So yeah, and by the time as an actor, if I have to say, I have seen so much of work of Al Pacino and some international artists. I keep watching indie films. I go for the festivals. Yeah, all this. So that drives me to become an actor.
You also have a great height. Did you
Yeah.
anytime intend to pursue modeling full time?
No, not full time at all. I wanna be full time actor only. But in between, if I get chances, I keep doing.
You keep doing.
Yeah, I
Okay,
keep
so what was the any?
Yeah, I have done this Bombay Times Fashion Week. I have done. Then Aura Fashion Week. I have done. Then I have done print shoots. So recently, I have done this Coke print for Coca-Cola,
Acha.
and then there's a Byju's print which I
Okay.
did.
Okay.
So yeah, all this.
All this keeps
Yeah.
coming.
Yeah.
And which actress are you like in awe of?
As a child, I was like in awe with Aishwarya Rai. But currently, I'm obsessed with Ananya Pandey. Like, she's a Gen Z, like, full on. I keep watching her podcast and she, like, oh no, I wanna be like this and that. And I'm like, yeah, I love
Do
her.
you imitate her as well? Because
Not-
the way you said, like, this
Yeah, because
is
like in
that.
every interview, yeah, she's like, oh my god, like I can't even say all that things. So when I watch her, I was like, yeah, she's like I love Ananya Pandey. For like, and also like she has changed the narrative of herself when she got trolled badly, and now
Right.
people are loving her for her work. Kho Gaya Hum Kaha was my like favorite character of all time.
Okay.
Yeah.
You didn't like, because a lot of people that I talk to, they rave about Call Me Bay.
Yeah, of course. But my favorite, I don't know it's right, but I relate to that character, Ahana's character, a lot in my personal life. And when I saw her, like the character, the rage, everything. But I love Kho Gaya Hum Kaha. And especially Ananya's character.
Of course, favoritism.
Yeah.
So now that you are juggling, आप ये भी कर रहे हो, Instagram भी अच्छा खासा कर रहे हो, plus you are shooting. What is in the
And
pipeline?
also I'm engineering student. To
you're
add
studying
on.
also.
Yeah, it's my last year.
Oh.
And I'm doing my honors from IIT Bombay. So this is too much, I know.
Oh my God. So how are you balancing everything?
So like my college is very understanding and very good. So it's been like 5 years I'm working. And then I give this letter to college. So you can also do. Some people who want to pursue acting and study as well. So college can provide you recorded lectures. You can study that, but do not miss your practicals. That's it. Practical exams.
Okay.
Yeah.
And now what is it that we will get to see you? I hope it's not crime.
No. So it's I'm shooting with Vikram Bhatt. It's a new web show, Bounded by Blood. It will come soon. And then I'm shooting vertical series as well for Cuckoo. Then there is festival film. Then there is Marathi film called Mumbai Local, which will release next month. Yeah, all these things are there lined up. And I'm shooting for Tamil short film.
Wow. So how are you Tamil short film? Do you know the diction?
So like I have shot in Marathi, Gujarati, Marwadi, Haryanvi, Punjabi, Tamil, and now I've also done Bhojpuri, which is called Gunaho Ka Raja.
तू कैसे कर लेते हो?
Yeah, so I can speak Marathi, Gujarati, like slightly. Marwadi I can speak full. And then Haryanvi.
Hindi.
Yeah, English,
Haryanvi.
Hindi,
You can
हाँ.
speak Haryanvi.
हाँ, Haryanvi means मतलब there was this character, so like, ओ भाई तू तो कह रहा था कि कौन बात ना आया मंडा में फिर कैसे फैल गया रायता. So there was this whole character which I was playing. So yeah, Haryanvi. And then Punjabi, so it was like back then very small. Marwadi, I did a song actually. So by that I understood, and my best friend is Marwadi. So I have that. And then Bhojpuri, though I'm a huge Ravi Kishan fan. Ravi Kishan, like I keep watching him like videos and all. So I like, and Bhojpuri songs also I listen sometimes for fun. And this Bhojpuri is not vulgar at all. It's very nice. And then Tamil, for Tamil, so they give us a slightly cheat code that it's Vanjira Tamuji Nala Inaji Ela Edmondma Patta Patonji. But there was this kind of a counting.
That's 1 to 10.
Till 100 I can count. And then they told us ki if you have some emotion, like imagine, I'll give an example.
Emotional scene.
हाँ कि like there are different emotion, नव रस होते हैं अपने. तो अभी example के लिए if I have to say कि ना पागल वागल हो गए क्या दिमाग घुटने में तेरा, then if you can count from 11 to 17 like पत्तोंजी पदरड़ पदमुजी पदनान पदाजी पदेड़मो उडमो इरवो. So it was like a cheat code they were teaching us always, and then later on we can dub it.
Oh.
So this was the trick which I got to know. It's like very easy and very convenient for other people as well. But very big thing is you should learn the language, which I'm learning. I'm just starting.
Yeah.
This languages were quite easier for me. Like Marathi, तो I'm Maharashtrian. Hindi, English, so we know. Gujarati, Marwadi was still convenient. Haryanvi was also easier. Bhojpuri is also easier, not that difficult. But
Right.
Tamil, Kannada,
Yeah, the South languages are difficult to grasp.
challenging, especially.
Correct.
Yeah.
तो जैसे कि आपने बताया दैट यू ऑल्सो डिड अ वेब सीरीज अ
Yes.
वेब शो एंड इट हैड रजत दलाल एंड मिद्राक्षी, तो
Yes.
कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस उनके साथ काम करने का उत्तरन में?
Both were actually good. Experience was good. Honestly, I'll first go with Madirakshi. She's an exceptional artist. And जब हम लोग शूट कर रहे थे तो उन्होंने मुझे बहुत सारी चीज़ें सिखाई. मतलब वो बता रही थी कि when she was working in TV तो उनको बार बार ऐसे रोने के सीन आते हैं, बार बार ग्लिसरीन नहीं डाल सकती. ये स्पेसिफिक चीज़ है. तो उन्होंने मुझे ट्रिक बताई थी कैसे फटाक से रोना होता है, ऐसे आईलिड नीचे करके एक सेकंड में पानी आ जाता है. आई वाज लाइक वाओ. एंड फिर उसके बाद हर एक सीन के लिए तो आई वाज थिंकिंग शी इज़ अ बिग आर्टिस्ट एंड ऐसे ऐसे वगैरह. बट शी वाज गिविंग मी टाइम एंड वो खुद से बोली थी चल एक बार रीडिंग कर लेते, फटफट फिर शॉट देते, अब ये कर ऐसे होगा, तू ये वाला सीन ऐसे लेगा तो बहुत अच्छा होगा, डायरेक्टर सर भी अप्रिशिएट करेंगे. तो ये सारी चीज़ें एक मतलब एक्सपीरियंस आर्टिस्ट जब शेयर करता है ना तो ज़्यादा अच्छे लगते हैं. उसके बाद हम लोग बॉम्बे टाइम्स फैशन वीक में भी वापस एक साथ थे. सो शी इज़ लाइक टू सपोर्टिंग, टू फ्रेंडली, jolly and very good as an artist also and as a friend also, co-star as well, everything. Rajat Dalal is very strong and I can say vibrant person. So there was an incident which happened was कि हम लोग शूट कर रहे थे and then मड में हम लोग they were shooting and उसके वो साइड पे एक छोटा कट्टा जैसे था and there were 2-3 people who were drinking and having fun ऐसे ऐसे and then तभी this जो प्रोडक्शन हेड थे उन्होंने बोला कि वो क्लियर कर दो उनको थोड़ा सा बिकॉज ही लाइक द स्पॉट, दे वांटेड टू शूट देयर. तो फिर बोला अच्छा ठीक है करते हैं. देन सर डिसाइडेड टू शूट देयर वहाँ पे. फिर क्रू मेंबर गए, उन लोगों ने बोला कि चलो हटा दो इनको, ऐसे आप प्लीज़ वहाँ पे शिफ्ट हो जाएंगे, हम लोग को यहाँ पे शूट करना है. फिर वो बोल रहे थे कि नहीं हम लोग नहीं हटेंगे बिकॉज दे वर ड्रिंकिंग एंड ऑल. फिर सडनली रजत दलाल हर्ड दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन एंड ही जम्प्ड इनटू इट एंड ही सेड कि ना नहीं अब कैसे नहीं हटेंगे. एंड देन ही वेंट टू इट, अरे हटो एंड ऑल दैट केओटिक सीन स्टार्टेड हैपनिंग. एंड फिर बाद में रजत दलाल जी को रोका, फिर लाए, फिर बाद में हम लोगों ने सेटअप ही चेंज कर दिया, फिर अलग जगह चले गए. आई वाज हैविंग फन, मेरे को देख के बहुत मजा आ रहा था. एंड थोड़ा हम लोग को ब्रेक मिल गया उसी टाइम में, तो हम लोगों ने थोड़ा रेस्ट वेस्ट कर लिया. इट इज फन.
आपने स्कूल कॉलेज का ऐसा कोई इंसिडेंस जो आप बताना चाहे, बिकॉज नाउ यू आर मल्टीटास्किंग. तो
या सो स्कूल हाँ स्पेशली आई वांट टू से कि whatever you become as a person when you grown up, everything starts with the school. And I'm so grateful that in my school I got a teacher like Adishri Nizai. I specifically want to name her. She's like every time consider me as her son. She taught me many things. She like मतलब एक अपने बच्चे की तरह मुझे सिखाया. और फिर I was not going to any tuitions वगैरह, तो खुद के घर पे लेके जाके पढ़ाती थी. एंड बहुत ज़्यादा हर एक स्टूडेंट्स को. I have studied from Marathi medium municipality school.
Oh.
Yeah, honestly, my school is in Vileparle, Mahila Sangh. So I have studied there. It's a Marathi medium school. But I got this Adishri Nizai, Gauri Sawant, this kind of a teacher who has like been there
Yeah,
always.
आपकी इंग्लिश सुन के ऐसा कोई एक्सेंट ऐसे लग भी नहीं रहा है कि you're from Marathi.
Yeah, because of these teachers, they are like so good and always there. So I always feel some people brag about their school कि no my school is this, my school is that, my teacher वगैरह वगैरह ऐसे. But if you are good now and you're like, but these two teachers especially gem मतलब.
I think you're also a quick learner क्योंकि आपने इतने सारे अभी hacks बता दिए different languages के, तो I think it also depends on individual.
And also like when you are ready to adapt, when you are ready to accept the things, you grow faster. Which same I got it from my teacher. Adishri.
Right.
So she's like too good. I always and still if some inconvenience happens, I call her, I talk to her. Otherwise, Gauri Sawant, she was my English teacher actually.
Okay.
Yeah, and she was very nice.
Damn nice.
Yeah.
Serious बातें तो बहुत हो गई.
हाँ.
Now let's do a quick
Rapid fire. Yeah. Okay.
Excited.
Very.
Let's begin.
Yes.
Web series or movies?
Movies.
Dream director to work with?
Zoya Akhtar.
A role you wish you would have played?
Ahana from Kho Gaye Hum Kaha.
What's always in your bag?
I have this Japmala which I do. It's always
Oh,
in my
you're
bag.
very spiritual
Yeah, very,
as
very,
well.
very.
One actor you'd want to swap life with for a day?
Siddharth Chaturvedi.
Ananya. Okay.
Yeah.
Most used emoji.
There is this emoji, crying wala emoji, but we Gen Z, we use it as a laugh as well. There's a very funny meme. If my friend sends me, I'll say, "Oh God, that's so funny." If I'm actually feeling that, I'm feeling sad, I keep using always, and everyone uses. That's very trending.
Favorite cheat meal?
Vada pav.
One word your friends used to describe you.
Chaotic.
Ranveer Singh in one word.
Energetic. I guess one word is for so less for him.
If not an actor, what would you be?
Engineer. That's what
Wow.
I'm studying.
That was a good one.
Yeah.
Lastly, before going, there are so many young budding actors, you know,
Yeah.
now about the school also, कि सोचते हैं हमें ये privileges नहीं मिले हैं, all of it. One message that you want to give the audience, fans, etc.
नहीं ऐसे privilege तो कुछ नहीं होता. Everybody is privileged in their own terms. सबका एक अपना अपना होता है. If you keep working hard always, there is a very good saying which is like hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. So like if you are consistent, it doesn't matter how much talented you are or how much capable you are, but if you keep proving yourself, if you keep doing it, it will show. And in Marathi also, there is very good line of Pula Deshpande which I have heard की माणसाच्या आयुष्यात एक सुखाचा वाटा असतो आणि एक दुःखाचा वाटा. आधी दुःखाचा वाटा संपवायचा म्हणजे आयुष्यभर उरतं ते फक्त सुखच. तर दुःखाचा वाटा म्हणजे मेहनत. ज्या आप तुम्ही आधीच्या वयामध्ये मीन्स इन युअर अर्ली 20s, इफ यू कीप वर्किंग हार्ड, later on you will get the fruits of your life.
Wow, thank you so much.
Thank
It
you.
was so insightful.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Thank you.